PoE and PoE Plus both send data and power through one Ethernet cable, but PoE Plus gives you much more power headroom. 4 cable requirements. Both usually work with Cat5 or better, but Cat5e or Cat6 is the safer choice for cleaner performance and future use. Imagine plugging in a device and having it restart because the cable or power budget is too small. That is the real risk when people confuse PoE and PoE+. Knowing the difference helps you avoid weak power delivery, unnecessary upgrades, and devices that fail under load. PoE means IEEE 802.3AF, the original standard. It can supply up to 15.4 watts from the source and about 12.95 watts to the power device after cable loss. It is a good fit for low-power devices like basic IP phones, simple cameras, and small wireless access points. PoE Plus means IEEE 802.3 AT. It raises the source power to 30 watts and gives about 25.5 watts to the device, again after losses. That extra power helps run PTZ cameras, larger access points, and video phones that need more energy than standard PoE can provide. For both PoE and PoE+, the minimum cable requirement is generally Cat5, while Cat5e or Cat6 is recommended for better reliability. The reason is simple. Better cable quality means lower resistance, less heat, and fewer voltage drops over distance. The practical maximum Ethernet run is still 100 meters, including patch cables. PoE is usually cheaper because switches and injectors are often less expensive, and it is enough for smaller devices. PoE Plus costs more, but it is easier to use in mixed networks because a PoE Plus switch can safely power older PoE devices through standard detection and classification. In safety terms, both standards use negotiation before power is applied, so devices are not blindly energized. Think of PoE as a small water pipe and PoE Plus as a wider one. Both carry water, but the wider pipe can feed a bigger machine without strain. A simple office phone may run fine on PoE, while a motorized security camera may need PoE+. PoE is best when your devices are small, cheap, and low power. PoE Plus is preferred when you want more headroom, better compatibility for modern devices, and fewer upgrade surprises later. This punchline is easy to remember. PoE powers the basics, but PoE Plus powers the future.
Simply click the link below to learn more.